Welcome to the brand new state-of-the-art Culinary Depot Superstore. We are conveniently located here in Spring Valley, New York with easy access to some of the major highways. My name is Adele and I'm a proud customer experience rep here at Culinary Depot. With any commercial kitchen purchase, we know that an in-person shopping experience makes the difference. Come feel the products, use them, get our knowledge and expertise. Come see for yourself.
Gas or electric.
Wonderful. Oh, that's great.
And over here we have our mixers on over this way.
Great. Oh, that's awesome. That's just what I'm looking for.
Yeah, so you have your hub up here, and it comes with your attachments.
My family-owned bakery is ready for an expansion. For the past 16 years, Culinary Depot has always been our address for quality equipment and service.
It's not about selling a product, it's about selling the right product and standing behind it every step of the way.
At Culinary Depot, they don't just sell an item. They really care about my business growing. I just love this. This is perfect. Thank you so much.
To produce the high-end food that we're known for, I need the right gear. So I came down to Culinary Depot Superstore's test kitchen to try out their latest equipment.
We created this company, the heat of the kitchen, with a vision to supply culinary equipment from soup to nuts. We sit down with the customer, design the menu, design the kitchen, come up with a concept, and complete the job.
Call me at any time. And of course, we provide same-day delivery.
Reason why we have the dishwasher out here is because it's near the entrance of the kitchen, so when they're coming back in with the dirty dishes, they don't have to go through the entire kitchen while they're maybe prepping for another meal.
Got it. Yeah. In our industry, every penny counts. And I needed a place that provides the best service with the best price. When it comes time to purchasing kitchen equipment, Culinary Depot is our place.
Well, we negotiate with the top manufacturers, which means customer gets best for his money. We're there every step of the way in terms of the project, and most important, within budget. Let me show you something a little different.
Opening Fireside was a fantastic experience. I went down to Culinary Depot. It had everything you could ever need from A to Z. Kitchen design, CAD files, dishwashing, ice, refrigeration, ovens. From the first shovel in the ground until the day you open the restaurant, Culinary Depot, your one-stop shop, really, beginning to end. There for you.
Hey, thanks for stopping by for a virtual tour. Next time you're in the neighborhood, please come by to say hi, grab a snack, take a look around. We're always here at your service. Looking forward to seeing you.